Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Crexi for retail property deal screening. Easy tutorial step-by-step. Click. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Crexi website. If you are not already signed in, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. Fill in the required fields with your information, including your name, email address, and password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click the Create Account button. Look for a verification email in your inbox. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link. Once verified, return to the Crexi website and sign in with your new account credentials. Once logged in, get familiar with the dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Properties section. Use the search bar to find retail properties you are interested in. Apply filters to narrow down your search to specific criteria. Select a property that meets your needs by clicking on it. Review the property details including location, price, and amenities. If you are interested in receiving updates on the property, look for the Follow button on the property page. To view your followed properties, navigate to the My Properties tab. In this section, you can easily manage your subscriptions and receive notifications. If you want to adjust your notification preferences, go to your account settings. Now you are all set to receive the latest updates on retail property deals. You can easily access your followed properties at any time from your dashboard. Congratulations on successfully subscribing with Crexi for retail property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.